Have you ever wondered why taking a sharp turn at high speed feels risky or even makes you lose control? Let's understand why speeding on a curb without braking can be dangerous. When a vehicle takes a turn, it needs a force pulling it toward the center of the curb. This force is called centripetal force, and it doesn't come from magic. It comes from the friction between your tires and the road. The faster you go, the more of this inward force you need. That's why centripetal force is given by force is equal to mass times velocity squared divided by radius. The faster the speed, the bigger the force needed. But your tires can only grip so much. If you are going too fast, the required force becomes more than the road can provide. Result, you slide outward or even tip over. This happens because friction isn't strong enough to hold you in the turn. By using brakes before a curb, you reduce your speed so the needed centripetal force becomes smaller. This gives your tires enough grip to handle the turn safely. So next time you are riding a scooter, bike or even a car, slow down before turning. Speed and curbs don't mix unless the road is banked or you are going just the right speed. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SciBuds. We were just getting started and there is a lot more real life science coming your way. Stay smart, stay safe.